We're going to be making barbecue pork and snow pea tip rice noodle rolls today. The first thing you're going to need to do is rinse and drain 2 large handfuls of the snow pea tips. And then you're going to mince the barbecue pork. Now you're going to dice up the snow pea tips. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to wok on high heat. Add the diced snow pea tips and saute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and continue to saute until it starts to wilt, and then add the barbecue pork. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and continue to saute. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and saute, and then scoop up and set aside. Add 1 cup of rice flour to a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of tapioca starch to the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of cold water to the mixture, and then use your hand to slowly stir all the ingredients together. Add another cup of cold water and continue to stir. Add another cup of water and continue to stir. Add your last cup of water and continue to stir. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and stir with a ladle. You're going to use a small non-stick pan with a flat surface. Turn the heat on high to make the pan nice and hot, and then you're going to turn it down to medium. Add half a ladle of flour mixture to the pan and distribute evenly. Cover for 10 seconds, then firmly slap it onto a flat surface. Add your filling and then fold it up. Fold the 2 sides in and continue to roll up to finish the roll. I hope you enjoy this lovely, delicious recipe. Please like and subscribe.